Hello guys, so easy way to get rid of hiccups.
Wow.
First, you have to drink enough cold water.
Ah?
As you take this cold water, it reduces the irritation produced in the diaphragm and help resume a normal movement of the diaphragm. This didn't work. Now you have to gargle ice water. This gargling of ice water distract the vagus nerve. So
Wow.
as it distract the vagus nerve, it helps distract your body from the hiccups. Is it still persisting? You have to now inhale carbon dioxide. Inhaling carbon dioxide help immobilize your diaphragm. Another way is you can hold your breath. Holding your breath and having enough carbon dioxide in your lungs may also relax your diaphragm. Try all this and you will see improvement or being relieved from hiccup. Thank you. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me and get more tips.